Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and this is a collaboration video I'm doing as part of the hashtag Creative Favorite collaboration that is being run by Tapping Flamingo, my sister's channel, Tapping Flamingo, aka the Bohemian Hippie. She's going to be doing these on occasion, so make sure you check out her channel. I will tag her down below, and also, of course, make sure you put in hashtag Creative Favorite so you can see everybody else's videos who's part of this collaboration. So this time around for this particular collaboration, she asked us to create something using a favorite color. And one of my favorite colors is the color turquoise. I like blues a lot. I like purples, pinks, that kind of thing. But in particular, I really like the color of turquoise, especially when it comes to jewelry. And you can see there's a necklace I made here quite a while ago. It's got silver, which is kind of tarnishing, a silver chain, some freshwater pearls, and this Larimar. This is Larimar chips that I picked up from a bead shop in San Juan, Puerto Rico, a long time ago when I was on a cruise. Missed the cruise days. But my family and I would always cruise during the summer, and my sister and I, she makes jewelry and I make jewelry, we'd always hit the bead shops in San Juan when we went there. This little charm is really too big for the dolls, as you can see. I don't know. I'm going to pull it off of here. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. But my thoughts were to take this necklace that I really never wear and revamp it into a bracelet. Not only could I wear it as a bracelet, but my smart doll will be able to wear it as a necklace. So I'm going to do that off camera, come back and model it on one of my smart dolls. Hang on. Voila! The bracelet is restrung. It fits me very nicely. I had to add a few more pearls and silver spacer beads, but otherwise the rest of it, I just had to move the beads around a little bit. And yeah, so it fits me. Let's see what it looks like on one of the dollies. Okay, so I just took this necklace off and I switched the turquoise necklace that was around Natalie and I put it on Ella. And it's actually a laureate style, so I flipped it around. It has little butterflies here. And then here's the necklace that I restrung, or bracelet. It's a bracelet on me and a necklace on the dolls. And she has some pearls, freshwater pearls, and Larimar chips. And they look super cute together. Yeah, turquoise is definitely one of my favorite colors, especially when it comes to jewelry. I really like just how it pops and you can wear it with just about anything. If you're looking for more fun videos today, make sure you search for hashtag Creative Favorite. Thanks everybody. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye bye.